Hey guys, Crypto Trends. I'm Silverback. Thanks for joining. And in this report, I'm going to show you the top 10 exactly how we're positioned, and I'll be going into some detail as far as how you can also. I can show you exactly how I work out how I position myself in these assets using Heikin Ashi candles. Plus, if you don't want to learn that, I'm going to be setting up a vault, which is basically it's a means of, I'll just see if I can show you guys, copy trading. It's basically it's under copy trading, so I can basically come in here and I can become a leader, a lead trader, and I can basically put the same strategy as what I'm putting into here, silver, trading, Heikin Ashi 1 week candles, or charts, and then basically I can that should be a H, Ashi 1 week charts as an index, as an ETF index of the top, let's say top 10 market cap cryptos. Pretty much straightforward. I'll make the lead name silver. Initial amount to be invested, 149. That's fine, cool, no worries. I'll just go confirm. So that's basically set up. So basically, as you can come in here, I'll leave you a link. It says the actual trading name is silver. If you don't want to learn how to do the Heikin Ashi trading and all that sort of stuff, I'm just going to load up exactly what I'm about to show you now into the actual thing. I'll go through it quickly so I don't waste your time, and just show you, if you're doing this manually, if you want to know where my stop loss levels are and exactly what I'm doing behind the scenes, and you do want to learn, just hang about, because I'm going to go through the top 10. It should be pretty quick. So BTC, I've already done this in the weekly update, but if you did miss that, that's okay. So BTC, we've got this is the second last candle, is the last candle as referred to last complete candle. It's basically a doji. It's got a wick at the top, wick at the bottom, so it's useless. So that's why it's coloured in amber or yellow, because I've got no allocation towards BTC at all, long or short. That's another thing too with BitUnex and also these vaults. You can actually go long and short with 1x leverage, so there's zero leverage. So you can make money when the market goes up and goes down with no liquidation or permanent loss risk. So this is a new thing that can take your standard sort of HODL portfolio and put it to work properly with very solid strategy and Heikin Ashi method, which I'll show you here. Like the next one here is, for example, it's Ethereum. Big body, wick at the bottom, means the price is going down. So basically that's a red short. It's marked it as red. And basically what you do is, if you're just entering now, you just put it behind the swing high from where, you know what I mean, from where it is. So basically set your stop loss level at 3,557. If you're coming in late and you didn't start at the right place, the swing high really should have been up here, 4,166, but that's a pretty wide stop to have. So you can just set it up a bit closer if you want. But basically we're just going to run it, and then we're going to, until it goes to some of these, like, doji sort of candles down here, we're going to get out of it and get out to neutral, to cash, and then wait until we get one of these babies, like the body is green with the wick on top, before we even jump back in. So it's pretty conservative. So I'm going to do this, and it's the same format I'm going to be doing it every week, and that is to leave it in the top swing high or bottom swing low. XRP is a body wick down the bottom, so it's an automatic short, and then basically I'll set the stop loss level at $3.47, the swing high on that short. I'm short. Let me see if I can paste. No, that's not working. So get rid of that. So what have we got? Solana is a short. and then basically set the stop loss at 305.86 at the swing high on that short. BNB, let me just copy this. Oops, so we'll copy it. Not copy price, copy the actual symbol. Hang on, wait a second. Sorry guys. There we go. Copy. There you go. Okay, so BNB is a definite short. There's a body with a wick down the bottom pointing down, and then basically I just want to put it behind the swing high for that short as a stop loss. Dogecoin is a definite body and a wick down below. That's a definite short, and basically I'm just putting the stop loss level at above the swing high. That's 50 cents basically. ADA is definitely a body, a wick down the bottom, so we're going short on that trade, and put the stop loss behind the swing high. So make that red. TRX is a short. So I would basically keep that as a short. Don't know what the hell I had on my charts here earlier that I was doing, but keep the short there, and then basically as this has changed, that would be the last sort of change on the swing high. Or you could put it all the way up here, but like that's a long way away. So let's go just to here as being the swing high. So that's TRX. So that's a definite short. Link is a definite short, and we've got the body with the wick below, and then swing high. Most recent swing high is over there, so $27.98 is the short. Sorry, the stop loss. AVAX is a definite 100% short, and then we would put the stop loss at the recent swing high, and that is a red for short. So that's basically it. So that's the way you can set it all up. I'll be setting up this vault in this exactly the same way. So essentially, I'll be coming in here and doing basically 10%. I've got 10 pairs, so I'm going to be putting 10% towards each pair, either neutral and cash, allocated as a short or allocated as a long, 1x. So basically there's no leverage. So if you come in here and use the link I'll provide, and just type silver or search silver under copy trading, you'll be able to actually just copy it and basically follow the same trades as what I do, and I'll just update this every week. For those people that are actually wanting to learn, I'll be showing you exactly what I'm doing on the charts, like I just did now this week. And then those people that are in this particular group, if you're seeing this, then you're probably in the paid group. I'll also be adding on to this. If you want to stop here, that's it for you guys just investing and just going into the vaults. For you guys that want to go through and look at some shorter time frame stuff, I'll be continuing on just after this, and I'll pause here to just gather up all the information and data I've got on the 1 day chart. Okay, so I'm back, and here's part 2. This is basically going to be the part 2, which is basically just drilling it down from a 1 week to a 1 day time frame. So for you guys that are actually day trading or doing a multi-day day trade, you might want to know what the current trend is and what I would do. You can set up a separate account, and I might even set up a separate vault for this purpose, and we'll basically do. Yeah, we'll do something like a 3x leverage positions on all of these, and do it on the daily, or maybe 5x positions on all these. I'll probably might want to make it 2x, because I want to make it a long-term thing where it actually can work out as a good result, and I'll beat all the high leverage traders. See if I can do it in a snail's way. So whatever money you put in, you're automatically doubling your leverage, so you're amping up your money. And then I'll be able to sort of keep on using 10% on all these positions as I grow the account as a bit of an experiment. So all right, so as far as you guys that want to trade manually, essentially where we're looking at is, I'll just open this up. So BTC currently, I'm going to go through the top 10. So BTC currently is a doji. I wouldn't touch it. All right, so just stay out of BTC on the daily. Let me just uncheck all these. Okay, so staying out. What did I mark that for? I marked as yellow to stay. Whoops. I marked this as yellow. Yeah, stay out of it if it's yellow, right? Now Ethereum. Ethereum is stay out. Don't touch it. XRP is stay out. Now, what the reason I'm saying stay out is that you got a wick on the top and the bottom on the second last candle. Just don't touch it. Doji, don't touch it. We want to wait till we get a candle that's good. Okay, this is a buy. Okay, so the reason I say it's a buy is the second last candle is a body with a wick pointing up, so that is actually definitely a buy. And then basically what we would do is, if that's the buy, we turn around and put the stop loss at the recent swing low. Now that we've got direction confirmed, and if you just take note of that. It's 505.90 cents is the stop loss on that. Doge, stay out of it. It's stay in cash. ADA is a buy. Okay, so so you would basically, that's the buy. The recent swing low was here. This is the new change, and we're going long there with a stop loss of 64.2 cents. TRX is a long. These are smaller bodies, and it's getting to bigger. So there's a bigger continuation, more momentum, and because these aren't showing exact prices, because don't forget they're Heikin Ashi, they're masking a lot of what's going on. If I go to normal candles for a second, if you just watch down here, it'll change. Nothing like what you're seeing. It's like mottled, right? So instead of that, we're getting this nice progression. So this one here is a buy. Now what I would do is, if that's the buy, that's the signal to buy, turn around and put the recent swing low as the stop loss, which is 19.81 cents. Mark that as a buy, and then a link. Don't touch it. It's too undecided. There's no direction. There's no trend there. This is going to stop us from getting chopped up in up and down markets like this where nothing's really going on. This is this has got a bit of a smell like it's going to have a body and a wick to point up. But if you actually have a look at it, and this is how I look at it, is you can see this little wick down here. Yeah, that means it's a doji. So that means I'm not touching it. I want something that looks like this, with a good body and nothing down the bottom before I go in. So I'm going to stay out of AVAX. So again, AVAX, I'm marking it yellow to stay out. So here it is. Stay out of everything except for 1, 2, 3 assets: TRX, ADA, and BNB. Between today and tomorrow, remember this is one day, and tomorrow I'll be back with a report to tell you exactly what to do with these, the ones we've been into, if there's any new trends starting, and we'll whack some leverage on these ones and see if we can get I want to set a profit target of like 2x, 2x on our trades, or if we're doing it every day, then we don't even need to set a take profit target. We can basically just wait until we get a new doji where we can see some price instability or price indecision, and then we can just take profit back to cash and wait for a proper candle to form with a new trend. So if that went all over your heads, I'm not doing it straight away, but I'm going to be starting a second vault pretty soon. Don't ask me when, it'll be pretty soon, as soon as I get onto it, and then I'll be doing a leveraged like a 5x leverage vault. I'll be showing you every day what I'm doing, and I'll do a vault, so you can just come in, register on the exchange BitUnix, and just put your funds in there, deposit, and I'll trade it for you. But don't forget, you're gonna pay a 10% clip to do that. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it for nothing at the same time, and which exchange I use. But that's it. So that wraps up exactly what I'm doing, and I'll be back with you guys tomorrow to let you know exactly if anything's changing on here, and I'll just keep you that constant update, and then there'll be a weekly update as well. Don't forget also, if you are looking, I'll try and put a link somewhere. Just go to Substack, Silverbacked, and search Pulse Chain Trends or Crypto Trends Weekly, and you'll get the weekly updates if you want that. Well, actually, you got the weekly updates here, so for the top 10. But if you want the weekly updates for the Pulse Chain main 6 core RH assets, if you're into that, then there'll be a link somewhere there below. Thanks guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.